How are you, my friends? In this video, I would like to start a new series called Algebra Challenging Questions, ACQ. In each video, I will present one question with some interesting tricks. If you want to see the playlist, you will find it by the name Algebra Challenging Questions. The first 3 videos will be about solve a radical equation, which we'll do now. Second one will be simplify a complex fraction, a little complicated one. And then the third one will be distance between the circle and the origin. You will see that. And then it will go from there. So this is the question number 1 in this series. Find the number of solutions of this equation. Square root of 11 minus x squared minus 2 divided by square root of 11 minus x squared is equal to 1. All right. So this is the first one, as I said. For more ACQ, Algebra Challenging Questions, you can see the playlist called Algebra Challenging Questions. Now, here we find, since we have a fraction, so the LCD will be square root of 11 minus x squared. Let's multiply both sides by this LCD. See, this one times this one becomes 11 minus x squared. This one will be canceled, so there's a minus 2. And 1 on the other side will be square root. Now rearrange here. 11 minus 2 is 9 minus x squared. Square both sides. See, all this 9 minus x squared, all squared. So that's 81. Minus 2ab minus 18x squared plus x power 4 is equal to 11 minus x squared. Let's rearrange the whole equation. It becomes x power 4. This is a plus, becomes minus 17x squared, and this is minus 11, so that's plus 70. Just factor it. X squared minus 7, x squared minus 10. Now let's find the value of the x. It looks like there are 4 values of the x. So from the last slide, we get x squared minus 7, x squared minus 10. Then we take the first factor, x squared minus 7 is equal to 0. So x will be plus or minus square root of 7. We have to check because we squared both sides in the original equation. That's the original equation. Put here x squared, that's 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. That's 2 minus 2 over 2 is 1, yes. Now, take x squared minus 10 is equal to 0, so x will be plus or minus square root of 10. When you check it here, you get 11 minus 10, that's 1 minus 2. Minus 1 is equal to 1, no, so that's rejected. So we say solution set only, square root of 7 minus square root of 7. If we need the sum of the solutions, that's 0. The product will be minus 7. Number of solutions, 2. This is another method, just quickly here. You can say let n is equal to this all square root of 11 minus x squared. So the equation becomes n minus 2 over n equals to 1. Multiply by the LCD n, you get n squared minus 2 is equal to n. Then you can factor it here. N plus 1, n minus 2. So n will be minus 1 or n will be 2. So we have to go back to x. See, this is minus 1 here. I put in the square root. There is no x here. See, the radical always positive, and this is a minus. There is no x here. Square both sides. So this is 4 is equal to 11 minus x squared. So x is equal plus or minus square root of 7, which is the same. Number of solutions is 2 after you check. Now, for more questions on radical equations, please, you can visit the playlists. All the exams questions, look for other types of equations, and also you can go to Algebra course lecture 24. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope I can see you in another video with another topic. Thank you very much.